myself. Take me right back to the start.
Hello guys, it's BlazeMax here and welcome back to another freaking video. Today, we're gonna continue the Sounds of Her Love. I'm kinda happy to continue this game again. Hell yeah. Let's go. Even with reddened eyes and damp cheeks, she still can't be described with any word other than beautiful. Or at least something along those lines. You really are silly, you know? Ruffling the hair upon her head, Carrie pouts as she quickly regains her composure. It's a heartwarming feeling, having been through bullying, hearing witness to an unstable marriage, having been left lonely by the world. A life like this can be easy to accept. Nevertheless, I'll do whatever it takes to make her happy, to see her smile.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Following her orders, my eyes close tightly as the world before me disappears. It's strange, we function by receiving inputs from the world around us. Synaptics responses, if you will. Having completely blocked the space around me from my sight, each breath Carrie and I take, each slight feeling against my skin, every sense becomes even more important. Something warm, something moist, lands itself upon my cheek. She really did it, didn't she? As I lift open my eyes, before me stands a girl, adorned in a tan sweater. Her silky hair done neatly into two braids resting over her shoulders. This girl stands there, complacent with her lips curled up into an adorable smile. No matter how I look at it, this is the girl I've fallen in love with. Whatever could have happened is none of our concern. It's a world now behind us. What really matters is our feelings. And at the end of the day, it's clear that we both feel the same.
Let's always stay together.
Wow. This was kinda cute, I guess. Oh, a cutscene? Nandato? Wow. Okay. So it's showing the areas where... Nah! No! That was it? Oh my god! Come on! Yo, this game was really good. I mean, the story actually. I really like it. Not gonna lie. June project. Whoa. So guys, I guess this is the end of Sounds of Her Love.
You like looking at me, don't you?
This was a really this visual novel was really good, not gonna lie. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I thought that we had more, but I guess this is it. So guys, if you enjoyed, just smash that like button, subscribe if you are new to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join our Discord group. So, I guess this is it. Thank you for playing. Hell yeah! This game was awesome, dude. I loved it so much. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed and see you later.